GD for Gaeilge, is Mr. O Maoilste agus tama imachoni in Gaeilge. I was born and raised in the townland of Seachtain, the field of the hurls, and I now live in the next townland down, which is Gaeilge. My cash is Oakwood. My surname, O Maoilste, I am a descendant of the follower of Stay. All these are reason why the Irish language is so important to me. The Irish language is able to describe where I have come from. It describes the environment in which I was raised. And it also tells me all about my family and the lineage of my family. So again, it tells me my origins. So that's why the language is so important to me. It's vital to my identity, not just as an Irish person or as a Gaeilge, but as somebody who cares about my environment and about my local area. So I'd just like to encourage you all just to practice the Irish that you have and take pride in our own language. Bunaigh sult a Seachtain na Gaeilge. Enjoy Seachtain na Gaeilge. Maoilste.